We caught something in the trap. Uh-oh.
I let it out.
Oh, we missed it.
I filmed it.
Oh, okay, we have to steal his footage because we caught a trap, a rat. Or no, it was a mouse. I don't know, it was a cat. Were those shoes even?
I grabbed I didn't know what he was gonna do. You can't see him, but at this point he's totally freaking out. I realize, I'm like, darn it, I have to use 2 hands. There he goes.
Poor little kitty. He was mean. He was screaming and trying to bite us and scratch us. That raccoon was way nicer.
And making this noise.
I'm the worst. I forgot yesterday to show you the end product of the lettuce wraps, but they were good, and we forgot to end the vlog yesterday too, so.
I'll show you the end product. Dad! Right in my tummy.
Oh, we don't want to see the end product, but what we like to do. Oh.
Dad and my friends, Mom just bought one for me.
Who did?
And all my friends did.
Okay, go talk to your friends and mom.
That's for sure.
You know she's your cousin, right?
We like to take Doritos and dip them in cottage cheese. Delicious. Oh. If that doesn't make you hungry, I don't know what will.
No.
Do you guys like this?
Yeah.
You just show them your cake bites you're making?
I'm making some cake bites. I love this book. This is one of my favorite things to do.
Well,
It's Wendy Paul, 101 Gourmet Cake Bites. And we are making some more. These ones. Oh, wait.
I found one. That's s'mores.
This one. Even
Cake
more
s'mores.
s'mores. So the recipe is here. It's 1 box of German chocolate cake mix, 3 eggs, vanilla, milk, and you mix them all together and put them in the oven for 28 minutes at 350. And then when it cools down, you crumble it and you add marshmallow cream and butter frosting and graham crackers and chocolate chips. She has a YouTube channel. But and then like you make yummy chocolate frosting and mix it all in.
Kaylee, you're
So good.
Are we telling the people the big news about the van yet?
We hit 200K on the van mileage.
200,000!
That van is trusty, old faithful. 200,000. Love that van. I will drive it until it explodes.
So we have a challenge. Let's eat salami.
I like salami. Here's the problem with salami though.
I'll tell you the problem. She buys a pack, and once it's open, within 30 minutes, the whole pack is gone.
Well, this is yesterday. I bought it yesterday.
When did you open it?
When I bought it. Like I got in the car and I was like.
It's weird. I like find her, like, where's April? And then all of a sudden she's in a closet eating salami. And it's kind of embarrassing.
Not true. No, but this one has garlic and wine, cracked peppercorn, and zesty red bell pepper.
Pepper.
It's scary though. It has 90 calories for 1 ounce. Oh, that's not that bad. This has 4 servings.
Moment on the lips, lifetime on the hips.
Oh, wait. Oh, no. There's 4 plus 4 plus 4. So there's actually 12 servings in this package. And I've probably already eaten a third of it.
Okay, we got a bit of rain today in Eagle Mountain. We're checking it out. We're gonna help fill some sandbags, or we were gonna help fill sandbags, but we'd rather put them out on the road. This is at the entrance to the neighborhood where we're gonna be building, so that's exciting. We'll see if they need some help out here, or if they need help filling sandbags. Sandbags are going that way though, so. And there's another load of sandbags.
Should we follow the sandbags?
Yeah. Let's follow the sandbags.
Guess a little close.
Guessing that's where they're gonna need the help. Yeah, there's a lot going on. A lot of water. Holy cow.
It's still just running off.
Oh.
This is crazy. The news is right behind us, Dave. Film the news. Oh, wow. I'm serious.
Tell Fox 13 we're on our way. This is a lot of water. See those kids? Oh yeah, I almost got them. I think they'll definitely need some help out here. Okay, Fox is here. They're checking things out. Doug's talking to the workers, see if they need some help. A lot of water. This is not a river. All right, they're getting more sandbags over. We're gonna try to protect that house. It's game time. Let's do this. Let's save this house.
Run in here, Jeff. Come on. Got it. Hi.
Blessing now it's almost a curse. It's almost a blessing, but now it's a curse.
Okay, it seems like we've diverted most of it. Got a nice little river. Need some galoshes. Gotta get some galoshes. If we're gonna be living out here where it's flooding, I'm gonna need galoshes. Oh, and the kid who lives in this house, he says, I hope this doesn't make it to the newspapers because that'll be really embarrassing. That's his top worry right now. Okay, looks like the truck with the sandbags is now stuck in the mud. It's not getting any better.
We unload the sandbags. I can help him.
That's what we've been doing.
The backhoe and the front loader to walk himself out.
Backhoe's making a ditch of water, and I think it's gonna work just fine. Okay, Doug says, I love being on the news. He walked over and asked to be interviewed, so I guess it worked. All right, the cavalry arrived. We got the river averted. I think we're just about there. All right, the whole neighborhood's out now. We got the little kids helping. We're just about good. Tragedy averted. I think me and Doug single-handedly saved that lady's house by coming here. What do you think, Doug? I'm vlogging here. There's the crew. Door's open.
It's got the hit. Oh.
It's gonna hit the mailbox. What did you say you were gonna do?
I'm to make you this many toys, and it's to be real life toys that I'm not to make with this.
You're losing your voice? Did you find it yet?
No.
Where is it?
Far away. Somebody has it.
How are we gonna find it?
Somebody has it in their mouth.
Did Ursula take it?
At Ellie's house? No. Addie just cooked it and now she has my voice.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How are we gonna get it?
Go to whole house and with another that our whole mouths
How will we get it out?
with nothing. We will not do anything. Our hands. We have to keep them in forever. And Addie just cooked it out of her mouth and threw it to somebody else. It was Dayden. She's a girl. And I'm a girl too, and now she just saved my voice back. And I have my voice back.
You found it?
She
Okay,
just
let's hear your voice. Sing a song.
A, B, C, D, A, F, D, S, I, J, J, L, M, O, P.
Keep going.
Do O, X, do O, P. Next time, won't you sing along with me?
Good job. That was amazing.
Now I had to go and do it.
Okay, hold on, guys. Here's the cake bites. April, what are we celebrating?
200,000 miles on the van.
200,000
You thought I was going to say
miles.
subscribers, huh?
No, 200,000 miles.
They didn't have too long.
Oh yeah. What flavor are they?
Let them cool
Did you
off.
tell the people?
Even more, some more.
They're fine.
Even more, some more.
That's good.
Very good.
Hey, wait, show paint colors. Look.
April's got another project. Yay.
I want to paint those bar stools right there.
Perfectly nice bar
This
stools.
is my inspiration. These cute colors of jars that I saw at a wedding I did last weekend. Because look at this one. This is another picture. Oh, show them the picture. It has a green and a blue, like this color green of this table. And then like a really pretty turquoise blue. And then the other colors were this like salmon, orangey pink, and then this yellow. And I really liked them all together. It was really pretty. So I thought and I've really been wanting to find a way to tie in yellow and blue into my kitchen and this green table that I have. Because I've always wanted to do the yellow and blue kitchen, but I felt like I couldn't do that anymore because I had a green table. So then when I saw those four colors like at a wedding pretty together, I thought, this is how I'm going to come back to me. This is how I'm going to tie it all together, because if I paint the chairs 4 different colors, then all of a sudden I can do like one of those colors for the backsplash. I want to do this cool chevron beadboard backsplash that I found on Pinterest. Oh, the projects never end. And come back. And I want to do like a yellow, or maybe even this like salmon color. I don't know, but or blue, probably yellow or blue, for like a big hutch, kitchen hutch that will be. I'm thinking maybe the blue.
A lot of exciting things. That's it for tonight, guys. I'm gonna be gone the next 2 days, so we'll see if April actually does any
I think you
vlogging.
should do more cake bites.
Yeah,
Doug
Doug likes
needs some
cake
more
bites.
cake bite
I'll make
videos.
more tomorrow. But
Tell them to buy some chocolate.
help me with this, you guys. This is a bad idea to paint 4 chairs 4 different colors, or is it gonna turn out super cute? I'm a little nervous, but I want to make them kind of distressed and antique. Bye. Thanks, guys. Ended. Say something smart.
Science.